Number 1. 1979 Ford F250 Custom, $4,000, Leon Valley, Texas. This 1979 Ford F250 Custom is a heavy-duty rear-wheel drive pickup ideal for restoration. It features an automatic transmission and a recently installed 460 cubic inch V8 with under 1,000 miles. Though it is currently not running due to a suspected fuel issue following a carburetor rebuild. With 67,257 original miles and a clean title, it offers strong towing potential at an affordable entry point. Number 2. 1979 Dodge D50 Sport with $1,500, Fernwood, Idaho. This 1979 Dodge D50 Sport is a rare compact pickup powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine and manual transmission. The truck turns over but has no spark. The cylinder head is confirmed crack-free and all exhaust components are included. Sold as is with a clean title, it is well suited for a mechanical restoration project. Number 3. 1977 Toyota Hilux pickup, $4,900, Newman, California. This 1977 Toyota Hilux is powered by the reliable 20R 4-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. It runs well, but is sold as is due to an aftermarket carburetor that does not meet emissions standards. The correct carburetor and rebuild kit are included. With a clean title, no back fees, and a solid body, it is a strong restoration candidate. Number 4. 1976 Chevrolet C60 2-ton truck, $4,850, Manvel, North Dakota. This 1976 Chevrolet C60 medium-duty truck is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, featuring high and low range. Showing just 35,000 miles, it is listed in excellent condition with a clean title. A well-preserved example suited for collection, farm use, or display. Number 5. 1979 GMC Square Body Half-Ton 4-Wheel Drive, $3,000, Irrigon, Oregon. This 1979 GMC Square Body 4-Wheel Drive pickup features a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, headers, dual exhaust, and a 4-inch lift with 33-inch tires. The engine turns over and requires minor electrical work to run. With solid cabin floors, a clean title, and strong off-road potential, it represents excellent value. Number 6. 1969 Ford F100, $12,000, Azle, Texas. This 1969 Ford F100 blends classic styling with practical upgrades, including a rebuilt 1995 Ford 302 Windsor V8, floor-shift manual transmission, and front disc brakes. Despite odometer rollover, it runs very well and has no known issues. Clean title and excellent condition make it a dependable classic driver. Number 7. 1963 Chevrolet C10 stepside, $15,000, Rockwall, Texas. This 1963 Chevrolet C10 stepside is powered by a 250 cubic inch inline-six engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. It runs decently and carries a clean title. Listed in fair condition, it offers a solid base for restoration or light customization with desirable stepside styling. Number 8. 1985 Volkswagen Transporter, $12,000, Carlsbad, California. This 1985 Volkswagen Transporter diesel was imported from Germany in 2020 and is powered by a 1.6-liter diesel engine with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. With approximately 114,000 kilometers, it is mechanically sound with fully functional electronics. Minor cosmetic wear is present, but it retains a clean title and unique European character. Number 9. 1969 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper Pickup, $19,500, Glendale, Arizona. This 1969 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper is an exceptionally clean full-size pickup powered by a 350 V8 with Edelbrock carburetor, automatic transmission, and dual exhaust. It features new paint in the original color, refreshed interior, new tires, and a tow package. Everything functions properly, and it holds a clean title. Number 10. 1993 Dodge D250 diesel parts truck, $100, Surrey, British Columbia. This 1993 Dodge D250 is offered strictly as a parts truck. It includes a complete two-wheel drive frame, axles, dashboard, wheels, intercooler, and radiator support. With approximately 100,000 miles on the diesel drivetrain, it is ideal for parts sourcing. Parts-only title. Number 11. 1966 Ford F100 with LS motor, $21,500, Morgan Hill, California. This 1966 Ford F100 retains its original patina while featuring a modern LS engine with Phytec fuel injection and remote tuning. Upgrades include an overdrive automatic transmission, power steering, front power disc brakes, Dakota digital gauges, new interior, and new tires. Clean title and excellent drivability throughout. Number 12. 1965 Chevrolet C10 stepside, $25,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 stepside is powered by a 230 cubic inch inline-six engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a fresh interior, custom paint, and a clean New Mexico title. Running and driving strong, it is a versatile classic suitable for enjoyment, shows, or future upgrades.